Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst from Berkshire Hathaway-RW Town Home Services, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Hey everybody, this is Chris Whitehurst. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. I believe knowledge is power, so go ahead and subscribe, ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and each one is packed full of information to help you as a buyer or a seller in your real estate needs. This is episode 159, and we're going to be talking today about the difference between a seller's market and a buyer's market. A seller's market typically happens when the inventory of homes is low, when there's a high economic outlook, when people are very optimistic about what's happening in the economy. It also happens to happen during low periods of lower interest rates. Buyer's market is the exact opposite of that. High inventory. There's lots of homes. There's lots of homes to look at. And so buyers can be a little pickier. Low economic outlook. People aren't exactly happy about the way things are going, or higher interest rates. What's really unique right now is which one are we in? Well, to be honest, it's actually fairly balanced. Maybe leaning a little towards the buyers a bit in the real estate transactions I've seen lately. But if you ask sellers, they're comparing their life to what happened during what I call the unicorn years, when you just put up a sign in the yard and buyers just kind of had to accept what you were doing. To be honest, it feels very, very different to them. Reality is buyers typically right now have a little more negotiating power. They're going to want basic things in place, functioning systems. Go back to last week's episode about things to do before your home to avoid this. Buyers are actually likely going to ask for some closing cost assistance when making an offer, and there will likely be some due diligence requests along the way, unless you have the inspections done up front, like we talked about last week. If you like these videos, you can check out the past episodes and other great content over on my YouTube channel, all 160 plus a lot of information about the local market and the general area of the Albemarle. If you want to find out and connect with me directly, get in touch with me. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.